the THEDOOKA and Loft Penthouse, a two-story tent that blends luxury and comfort in a way few outdoor setups can. With built-in hammocks, it feels more like a loft apartment in the wild than a typical camping tent. Despite its size, setup is refreshingly simple. In just 15 minutes you can have it standing, and its awning works independently, making it perfect for quick shade during picnics. One of its greatest strengths is versatility. Thanks to specially designed supports, the Loft Penthouse stands firm on snow, sand, or even shallow water, making it adaptable to nearly any terrain. The lightweight but durable frame holds up to 300 kilograms, ensuring reliability whether you're lounging or hosting. Of course, such style and engineering come at a price. At $2,750, it's not cheap, but for campers chasing comfort without compromise, it might just be worth it. Imagine watching a movie outdoors while the snow falls around you, all without feeling the cold. That's exactly what the DeVos outdoor projector setup delivers. Its clever butane heating system keeps the mattresses warm and cozy, reaching up to 30 degrees Celsius, even when the outside temperature drops to minus 30 degrees Celsius. A single cylinder lasts an impressive 12 hours, giving you plenty of time to relax under the stars. Setting up the Blackcan 2 Pro is simple and takes just 5 minutes. Even better, the water heating process generates enough extra energy to recharge devices, including the projector itself, keeping your entertainment running without interruption. And when it comes to sound, the Sound Extreme SCB26 Bluetooth speaker ensures every scene is paired with rich, powerful audio. For $5,139, this all-in-one outdoor cinema feels less like a luxury and more like an investment in unforgettable experiences. The Earth T250LX is a uniquely lightweight trailer from the US, designed for travelers who want mobility, simplicity, and a closer connection to nature. Built with carbon fiber, Kevlar, and Corcel polymer, it weighs just 250 pounds, yet offers an impressive 850-pound payload capacity. When unfolded, the trailer transforms into a spacious, tent-style camper with a rigid body, comfortably accommodating 2 adults and 2 children. The interior is thoughtfully designed with insulated walls and ceiling, along with a non-slip floor covering, ensuring both comfort and safety during outdoor adventures. Unlike larger, feature-packed trailers, the Earth T250LX takes a minimalist approach. You won't find a fridge, TV, or luxury electronics inside. This model is all about disconnecting from the modern rush and embracing the outdoors. Whether you're camping in the woods or spending a weekend by the lake, it encourages travelers to enjoy the simple pleasures, like sitting by a campfire instead of staring at another screen. With the GoCamp Igloo Maker, you can turn snowy days into an unforgettable adventure. This clever kit uses nylon netting and a sprinkler system to create a real igloo almost by itself. All you need to do is set up the frame, add water, and let nature do the rest. Over 10 to 15 hours, the water freezes into a sturdy ice shell, forming a full-sized igloo that measures 3.4 by 2.7 by 1.6 meters. The process takes about 1,000 liters of water, but the result is worth it, a solid, magical hideout built entirely from ice. GoCamp doesn't just stick to tradition, either. Alongside the classic igloo, you can choose fun designs like a castle, rocket, or pirate ship, making it perfect for kids, families, and themed events. Whether you're camping in winter, hosting a snowy backyard party, or just want to experience Arctic living, the GoCamp Igloo Maker delivers fun, creativity, and real adventure. If you like traveling light but still want comfort, the Sherpa trailer might be exactly what you need. Compact and rugged, it's designed for people who want to get off the beaten path without towing around a massive camper. Despite its small footprint, the Sherpa is full of smart details. Inside, you'll find a cozy sleeping space, storage compartments, and options for LED lighting. Step outside, and the rear hatch opens into a compact kitchen area, perfect for brewing coffee or cooking meals on the go. Built with adventure in mind, it features off-road tires and a tough chassis, so it's just as ready for dirt trails as it is for smooth highways. And because of its lightweight, even smaller cars or SUVs can tow it with ease. The Sherpa isn't about luxury, it's about simplicity, freedom, and the joy of exploration. Just hitch it up, head into the wilderness, and you've got everything you need for a weekend escape. Meet Circla, a remarkable prototype that transforms into a mini camper on the go. At first glance, it looks like a sturdy touring bike, but unfold its clever design, and you get a compact bed, a fold-out kitchen, a small workspace, and even a tent. It's a portable home on two wheels. Despite offering all these features, Circla stays surprisingly compact, small enough to fit on buses and trains, a huge advantage for urban explorers or long-distance travelers who want flexibility. Durability is another strength. In testing, a prototype has already covered over 1,000 kilometers, proving that this isn't just a gimmick but a practical travel companion. Its modular frame is also designed to support different panniers, letting you pack extra gear without compromising comfort. The price and release date haven't been revealed yet, leaving curious adventurers waiting for updates. Would you take this extraordinary bike on your next journey? Circla isn't just transportation, it's freedom, adventure, and a home wherever you ride. When it comes to compact travel solutions, few options stand out like the Hitch Hotel Traveler and Hitch Hotel. Developed by an American company, these trailers are designed with a unique folding system that makes them some of the smallest trailers in the world. During transport, each trailer measures less than a meter in length, making it incredibly easy to tow and maneuver. But once unfolded, the space expands enough to comfortably sleep two adults. Despite their small footprint, these trailers don't compromise on quality or comfort. They're built from lightweight yet durable materials, feature sound and heat insulation, and come with a ventilation system that ensures a pleasant stay in any season. Buyers can choose between two models. The Traveler comes equipped with wheels, functioning as a traditional tow-behind trailer, while the Hotel is a hitch-mounted version that attaches directly to the vehicle. Compact, efficient, and surprisingly roomy once expanded, the Hitch Hotel lineup proves that big adventures don't always require big trailers. The 2020 Rockwood A122S is a trailer that stands out right away, thanks to its unique roof design. But it's not just for looks. The roof folds down in just 20 seconds, transforming the camper into a compact, easy-to-store unit. In this folded state, the trailer can fit comfortably inside a garage and pass under low arches, tree branches, or other tight spaces with ease. At just 3 meters long, the Rockwood A122S is designed for convenience on the road. Its compact size makes towing simple while still offering plenty of smart storage solutions. The front compartment is perfect for organizing gear, while built-in drawers keep smaller valuables secure and accessible. For larger items like bicycles, kayaks, or sports equipment, the trailer comes equipped with an upper storage platform, making it versatile enough for all types of adventures. Blending practicality, portability, and smart design, the Rockwood A122S is a great option for campers who want a trailer that's easy to tow, easy to store, and always ready for the next trip. The Safari Condo Alto R1713, built in Canada, is a lightweight mini-trailer designed for travelers who want comfort without bulk. At first glance, its compact size might seem too small for long trips. But once parked, the upper section of the trailer rises, instantly creating more headroom and living space. Inside, it's equipped with all the essentials: a fridge, a dining area with a gas stove, a large bed, and even a toilet. The smart transforming furniture makes it adaptable. For example, the double bed can quickly convert into 2 single beds, depending on your needs. Despite its roomy interior, the R1713 remains incredibly lightweight at just 1,825 pounds, making it easy to tow with smaller vehicles. It comfortably accommodates 3 to 4 people, making it perfect for couples or small families on the go. When folded down, the trailer stands at only 6.9 feet tall, which means it can be stored in a standard garage, something few campers can offer. The Winterwell iron stove is a rugged, limited edition model built with durability and classic charm in mind. Designed with a 19th century aesthetic, this stove isn't just functional, it's a collector's piece. Priced at $385, it reflects both craftsmanship and reliability. Compact yet powerful, the stove combines a cast iron fuel tank with a steel burner, ensuring long-lasting performance in the harshest outdoor conditions. It can run on kerosene or paraffin oil, giving users flexibility in choosing fuel. With a 600 milliliters tank capacity, the stove provides up to 5 hours of steady operation, perfect for overnight camping, extended fishing trips, or survival situations. Weighing only 2.4 kilograms, it's lightweight enough to carry on any outdoor adventure while still being sturdy enough to withstand heavy use. The Winterwell iron stove isn't limited to campers. It's also a reliable companion for hunters, fishers, and bushcraft enthusiasts who value gear that works anywhere, anytime. The BeTriton is a perfect example, a hybrid electric bike, boat, and camper rolled into one unique adventure machine. Designed for two people, it's built to spark smiles and create unforgettable memories, whether you're cruising on land or gliding across the water. While speed isn't its strong suit, the BeTriton still delivers where it matters most. On land, it reaches up to 25 kilometers per hour, and on water, it gently sails at 8 kilometers per hour, just enough to let you soak in the scenery rather than rush past it. If the electric motors run out of charge, no worries. Pedals and oars ensure you'll still reach your destination. Compact yet clever, this amphibious camper gives travelers the freedom to explore roads, rivers, and lakes all in a single trip. The Raptor XL floating platform is built to transform lakes and rivers into your personal base camp. Measuring 5 meters per side, it's basically a floating island that supports up to 1,590 kilograms, more than enough for chairs, tables, fishing gear, and even a full tent thanks to its built-in tent mounts. This platform isn't just about size, it's about versatility. You can connect it with PVC boats to create a floating hub for fishing, relaxing, or even multi-day camping trips. Strong, stable, and reliable, it handles heavy loads with ease, giving you freedom to pack everything you need for your adventure. Of course, such strength doesn't come light. The full kit weighs around 120 kilograms, so transporting it takes some effort. But once set up, it feels like having a portable dock in the middle of the water. Priced at $3,089, it's an outdoor upgrade built for serious explorers. That's where the ND Tackle Smart Scale comes in. A thoughtfully designed weighing mat that makes the process simple, reliable, and safe for both fish and fishermen. At first glance, it looks like a standard unhooking mat, but the Smart Scale is far more advanced. It comes with a built-in digital scale capable of measuring catches from 100 grams to 5 kilograms with precision. The mat is mounted on a sturdy yet lightweight frame, allowing anglers to weigh and photograph their fish quickly without unnecessary handling. This reduces stress on the fish and ensures a smoother release back into the water. Portability is also a highlight. The entire setup, mat and frame, folds neatly into a dedicated carrying bag, making it easy to transport to any fishing spot. Despite its robust build, the whole set weighs just 4 kilograms. Priced at $231, the ND Tackle Smart Scale is a practical investment for fishing enthusiasts who want accurate measurements while keeping the well-being of their catch a priority. The Opus Smart Tent takes modern camping to the next level with its clever design and effortless setup. With just the push of a button, this tent inflates automatically in minutes, eliminating the hassle of poles and complicated assembly. Depending on the model, it comfortably accommodates 4 or 6 people, making it ideal for families or small groups. But Opus is more than just easy setup, it's packed with thoughtful features. Both models include built-in rechargeable batteries that not only power the inflation system but also charge your devices while off-grid. The smaller version comes with two 3000 mAh batteries, while the larger one includes 5, offering plenty of power for extended adventures. Inside, the tent is divided into 3 functional zones: a cozy bedroom, a spacious living area, and an outdoor section. Integrated lighting brightens every space, while the bedroom can be fully darkened for restful sleep without sacrificing ventilation. The Air Opus from the British company Opus is an option worth considering. Designed as a house on wheels, it can comfortably accommodate 4 to 10 people, making it ideal for both small groups and larger gatherings. At first glance, the Air Opus looks like a simple trailer. But once parked, it transforms in a matter of seconds. Thanks to its automatic inflation system, a spacious tent unfolds on top in just 90 seconds, eliminating the hassle of manual setup. For added space, a second tent can even be installed beside it at ground level. The interior is packed with thoughtful features, fold-out couches and beds, storage lockers, a projector with screen, speakers, and even showers, all designed for comfort on the go. On the exterior, you'll find a pull-out kitchen equipped with burners, a sink, a refrigerator, and storage for dishes and cutlery. Combining quick setup with impressive amenities, the Air Opus proves that modern camping can be both effortless and enjoyable. Sometimes the simplest gear makes the biggest difference, and the OneWind shower shelter proves that. Designed for versatility, it can serve as a portable shower stall, a changing room, or even an outdoor toilet enclosure. Need more space? Combine 2 units and you've got yourself a makeshift tent. Portability is where this shelter really shines. Each OneWind tarp folds into a compact roll just 30 by 8 centimeters and weighs only 450 grams. That means you can toss it into a bag, attach it to your backpack, or keep it in your car without even noticing the extra weight. Despite its lightness, it's durable enough for frequent use on camping trips, at the beach, or during roadside adventures. Setup is quick, so you can create a private space in minutes, no tools, no hassle. And when you're done, it packs back down just as easily. All of this comes at an affordable price of $50, making the OneWind shower shelter a budget-friendly addition to any outdoor kit. The Leisure Light Tent Trailer is designed for travelers who value simplicity and convenience. Setting it up requires almost no time or effort. The unfolding process is so quick and easy that even a child can manage it in just a few simple moves. Within minutes, the compact trailer transforms into a small yet surprisingly spacious motorhome, giving you a cozy place to rest on the road. Unlike some other camping trailers that focus on folding furniture or multi-purpose layouts, the Leisure Light takes a more straightforward approach. Its main priority is to provide a comfortable sleeping space. The bed is positioned on the trailer's top cover, keeping you elevated above the cold ground and away from insects or other unwanted guests. Another key benefit is its lightweight design, which makes it versatile in transport. Whether you're driving a car or even riding a motorcycle, the Leisure Light can easily be towed along. Compact, practical, and built for comfort, the Leisure Light Tent Trailer is an ideal choice for those who want to focus on relaxation rather than setup during their outdoor adventures.